Hi everybody, hi again, hello, and hope you're all well. I just thought I'd make a quick video on a new setup, new breadboard setup that I've got. And the reason for it is that we are going to be moving on where we're going to be using multiple ESP32s. All right, so I've got this new setup. It arrived today and I've just set it up or put it all together. So let's have a look at it. Okay, here it is. Here's my new setup. As you can see, I got 4 ESP32s. All right. I've got the W Rover. I've got that's the Rover. This is the Room, W Room. And I've got one version of that. And then I've got another 2 of a different version. They've got C-type connectors. All right. And they're all, and I've got this breadboard set up. Let me just see if I can show you where I got it from. Let me just go to here. I got it from Amazon. So there we go. Let me just see if you can see that. Okay. Yeah, it's the 3220 tier point breadboard. All right. This is what it comes like. Okay, so it comes mainly put together, but as you can see, it's quite a good little setup. Actually, it's quite a good little setup. So just head back. Okay. So what I've done, I've set up the power rails, and so I've got both 3.3 volts and 5 volts. What I've done is the 3.3 volt rail, and I've taken it along. I've taken it down and I've taken it along the bottom. Okay, rows. Okay, so all of these outside rows are 3.3 volts. And then what I've done, I've taken the 5 volts. I've got these 3 as 5 volt rails. Okay. So pretty much I can access 3.3 volts or 5 volts, right? And again, same as before, because of the setup of the Rover keyboard. The blue is 3.3 volts, the red is ground, and the same with the 5 volts. Blue is live, the red is ground. And what I've done is I've used them little, I showed you them before in another video. These things here, they're quite good. They're quite good if you want permanent circuits. It's these here, these things here, yeah. You can buy them. They're quite cheap. They're all right for permanent circuits, but for putting together circuits on the quick like we do in our videos, they're not suitable. All right, so that's what I've done. As I say, we will be moving on. We're going to be communicating from ESP32 to ESP32 using a protocol called ESP now. Okay, so that's what I've done. Hang on. Wrong one. I've got so many scenes, it's unbelievable. But anyway, that's just an idea. You might want to copy something similar. You can buy your own individual breadboards and put them together on a piece of wood or something like that and join them similar. But you are going to need at least 3 ESP32s when we start ESP now. Okay? Well, thanks for watching. Right. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in our next exciting video. Bye bye.